The Oppo Find X8 Pro is a flagship smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, positioning itself as a strong competitor in the premium smartphone market. Design and display. The Find X8 Pro features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2780 by 1264 pixels. The screen supports an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals while optimizing battery life. The device showcases a premium build with quad curved glass and aluminum framing, available in 2 color options, space black and pearl white. The pearl white variant features a unique coating that ensures each device has a distinct pattern. Performance. The Find X8 Pro is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. This configuration delivers robust performance, handling multitasking and demanding applications with ease. Camera system. One of the standout features of the Find X8 Pro is its quad camera setup, comprising 450MP sensors, a main wide-angle lens, an ultra-wide lens, a 3x telephoto lens, and a 6x periscope telephoto lens. This versatile camera system allows for high-quality imaging across various shooting scenarios. Battery life and charging. Equipped with a substantial 5910 mAh battery, the Find X8 Pro offers impressive endurance, easily lasting over a day and a half with general use. Overall, the Oppo Find X8 Pro stands out as a formidable flagship smartphone. Thank you so much.